What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your very first time joining me. My name is Jessica. I'm a mother was a makeup lover, of course. So at the end of last year, Nomad Cosmetics reached out to me because they wanted to add me to their PR list for the year. And they just released their first launch, which is I have a little card right here. So they always do like a destination. So this destination is Verona, and the palette is the Love and Death palette. Right here, I just want to read the card a little bit. It says, Fiery Love and Sorrowful Death. Love blossoms on the left with pink blushes and rich roses, turning into intense reds and scarlets of passionate love. Death consumes the right with cool tones of woeful grays, tragic blues, deep violets, and the completeness of black. 12 mattes, 6 shimmers. I love that. I wanted to use, whenever I'm doing like a new palette, like whenever I get a new palette in my hands, I always try to use as many colors as possible right off the jump. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Now you can use just the one side or the one side if you want to, but I'm going to be combining both sides today to create this look. I am just going to be focusing on the eyes in today's video. I'm not going to do swatches or anything because I feel like everything kind of speaks for itself. And they're unique colors, but they're pretty classic to go. Like I said, it's blue, purples, pinks, reds. So yeah, I'm not going to do swatches of the palette, but I am going to be using as many colors as possible out of the palette today to create this look. So I will be sure to leave all of my face products down below if you guys are curious about what I use on my face. But today's video is probably going to be real nice, short and sweet because like I said, I'm just doing my eyes. It's a really simplistic look, very beginner friendly, very easy to achieve. So if you're curious to see how I achieve this look and my thoughts and opinion on Nomad Cosmetics, definitely keep on watching. And don't forget to stay tuned until the very end of the video where I do an up close of my makeup. That way you guys can see the true beauty of the blend. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right on in. I washed my brushes. These are all my eyeshadow brushes. Whenever I'm trying new palettes, I always like to use as much as possible. So for sure, the first thing that caught my eye in this palette is going to be the grays on this side. So I think I'm going to start by taking the shade Inferno, which is this dark gray. So, shade Inferno, I'm going to take it on this Just a Beauty 227 Luxe Soft Definer brush. This comes in the little pink set. And I'm thinking I'm just going to put this in the outer corner. So I'm thinking I want to do like half and half. So the back half will be the Death side of the palette and then the front half will be the Love. I'm just literally gonna just blend this down, like lay it down and blend it out as I go. I'm gonna dust that same brush off, and then I'll take this gray called Tomb, and the little embossment, engravement, whatever, it's a person on a fucking tomb. So I thought that was, I got a kick out of that. And I'm just gonna blend this shade out here. Oh, okay. Blending really effortlessly. Honestly, that blended so easily. I'm gonna take the shade Dagger, which is the purple right here. And I'm going to kind of lay this purple right next to the gray. So that way I have like a mid shade to blend between the gray and either the pink or the red I'm going to go in with. So now moving on to the next side of the palette. Well, I mean, it's obviously all one palette, but I don't want that dangling around. On this side, we do have the two reds, a red shimmer, pink shimmer, purple shimmer, and then we have all these beautiful tones of pink. So I think I am going to take some pink. I think I'll take the shade, I'll start with the shade Light, which is this one right here. Take it on this brush here. This is like a kind of corally color. Oh yeah. Really just bring, what is this called? Light? I was gonna really bring the light into this, so that was good. I'm just gonna blend this right in. Then I'll take shade Balcony, which is this pink. Same brush. Ooh. That pink was definitely more cake-up-y than the rest of the palette that I've used so far. That's a-okay. I'm laying that down, and then I'm going to take a little fluffy brush. Let me find one here. And I'll take this light pink called Paradise. And then I'm going to go through all of those colors again to make sure that they're all nice and blended together. Oh yeah. That's going to look so nice when it's done. Feel it in my heart. I am obsessed. Alright, now I'm going to take some of the Unearthly Cosmetics Glimmer Grasp, and I want to use some of these shimmers. And just lay it down where I really want that product to stick and shine. So just like that. And then I think I want to take the shade Romeo, which is this pink, all over the lid. Kind of looks like it has a blue shift to it, which is very like cohesive with the palette. Oh yeah. And I'm going to pack this down. And I think in this outer portion, I'll take the shade Tragedy, which is this purple that kind of looks like it has like black in it. Oh yeah. I think the colors in this palette were very well thought out, and they all are going together like so nicely. Like the purple has blue in it, so if I wanted to use it like with the blues. Nice. So this is what it looks like so far with just the shimmers. So I'm going to take the Blend Bunny gel liner, and I'm going to go ahead and do a little half wing. There's a black in this palette which I do want to try to use, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to lay this liner down across my lash line. Then I'm going to go ahead and take the black, which is called Death. I'm going to take it on this little Morphe brush. So first I'll blend the like liner out a little bit with the brush. Then I'll take the black. And I'll set this wing a little bit just to make sure it's like all blended in. And I'm just going to kind of smudge this black around in the outer corner a bit. So I'm gonna take these lashes and I'm just gonna go ahead and finish everything off, and then we can come back when everything is complete. I do want to just focus on the eyeshadow palette and the eyes today, so I'll be sure to leave all my face products down below for you guys. Yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, so here is the completed look. I went in with this Kaleidos Space Age highlighter, this shade Prophecy. It's kind of giving like a goldy peach tone, and I'm honestly like obsessed with this highlighter right now. So I did go ahead and I changed my shirt because I feel like I didn't really go with the vibes considering it's like gray and pink. And I just went in with like a really pinky lip. I wanted to just do something super simplistic, yeah, just like really pink. So I went in with this Nabi lip pencil, the shade Mahogany, and the Unearthly cosmetic lip gloss. This is the shade, what is this, Cupid lip gloss? Yeah, this is the Cupid lip gloss. This is what they launched with their like sleepover collection. It's such like a beautiful pink shiny, like not sticky lip gloss. This one's really nice. So yeah, I wanted to kind of go over my thoughts and opinions on my very first time trying Nomad Cosmetics formula. Right off bat, the packaging is just fucking insane. The cover art really just speaks to my soul. Like, I'm honestly, I am just so obsessed with just the packaging already. I'm obsessed. So as far as like the formula of the palette goes, I think the setup is really nice. I was able to really create a beautiful cohesive look. I feel like there's every shade that you would need to create a nice blend within the palette. They included every shade that you would need to create a nice like cohesive blend, which I think is very, very important. And sometimes some palettes that I see, they're not complete. They feel incomplete. But I really feel like this palette is pretty, like, it has everything that you need to create a look out of it. I am so impressed with the formula. I think it blended like absolute butter. Like I said, I've never tried Nomad's formula before, so I wasn't really sure what to expect, but I'm not disappointed whatsoever. I'm very, very pleased with everything. I think the shimmers are really, really nice as well. I don't have any issues. I don't have any complaints. I am, for the first launch of the year, 15 out of 10. I think that they killed it with this one. And I am so, so grateful to be on Nomad's PR list this year. And that's not going to sway my opinion as far as like if I like the palette goes. But this one is the one for me, okay? So we'll just leave that at that. Let me know your guys' thoughts and opinions down below. Are you going to be picking up this palette? It did already launch last week, so if you want to get your hands on it, now is definitely the time to do it. And of course, I really do hope that you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Definitely don't forget to like and subscribe if you like me and if you like my content. Without further ado, we're going to go right ahead. Roll the clip.